Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can contact GEMINI support. So let's get straight into it. Now you will open up gemini.google.com. So I assume that you probably already do that and that you have some issues. So you need answers. Now how to contact GEMINI support? Just go here to the left bottom corner where you will see this gear icon. Click on it, and here at the end you will see help. So then hover over and help center, click on that, and on the right side will open up this pop-up window where you have some popular help resources, but you can also visit help forums, which are right here, and you can search a little bit what you want. So you can describe your issue right here in the search bar, and you can use some direct words that you need, and you will find something right over here. Or you can also just click here in this search bar inside of Gemini, search help, and then just find some how to use, how to delete history, how to change language. Yeah, manage delete your Gemini app activity. If you click on that, here you will get some explanation how you can do that. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next